Benilla, to Miss Annie Fernandez, and of course, the proud parents who have guided these children on their educational journey, and who have been instrumental in nurturing the young minds. So let us all join together in celebrating this joyous occasion. To the graduates, remember all the good lessons you've learned. The future is bright, and it's yours to share once again. Congratulations to all students, the honors, especially the kindergarten graduates. Thank you.
Pamangkin ko, yung dalawa po doon ay graduate ng Baler Infant. Anak ko na ang isa sa produkto ng Baler Infant. Magulang po, alam kong gusto natin na ibigay ang the best para sa ating mga anak.
Please don't Hazel and Marco. When I grow up, I want to be a painter. My name is Karen Palines. When I grow up, I wanna be under. My name is Akanawa Atawaya. When I grow up, I wanna be a soldier. My name is Ibrahim Emoran. Walay ko na mayroong karera.
Madarating lang din ninyo.
Red. Don, Francel, and Marco. Avellaneda. Tamara and Moran. In Filipino, best in reading. With high
Grabe naman. Di ka dito. Di ka dito. Kaya
and Moral. She also received best in writing.
late na rin.
Nagagandahan sa ng mga mami at daddy. Talagang maraming salamat.
Kamay! Kamay!